Hey everyone, this is a great time to hop on and tell you a little bit about zone cleaning before I show you what it looks like and how I do it. As I mentioned before, zone cleaning can't happen until you have a space decluttered. So for example, I was beginning to declutter my closet and it's not done yet. I still have 15 more minutes that I need to spend in there to declutter it, but I'm not going to move on to deep clean that closet until it is decluttered. So, and honestly, I don't deep clean my closet anyway. Maybe I should. I don't know. There are people that will pull all of their clothes out and wipe down the inside of their dresser doors. I just have never found that to be necessary. But if you do, then go for it. But the point is, you can't clean clutter. That is what the Fly Lady says, and it's absolutely true. So if you have an area that you have been working to declutter 15 minutes every day and you're ready to jump in and deep clean, then that's awesome. If not, I don't know how long it's going to take you. It depends on how much stuff you've got, which is why I've embraced more minimalism than even I thought I would, particularly when it comes to my clothing. But anyway, and kitchen stuff. I am going to do follow-up videos about zone cleaning in each zone so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So if you need to spend a month decluttering your spaces before you deep clean, that's fine. That's exactly what you're going to do, and that is working towards progress. So I just want to encourage you, if you're not at the spot of zone cleaning right now, that's totally fine. You can just continue to work on your declutter until you're done. And then once you're done, all these videos will be up and ready for you to see how to zone clean. So with that said, my bedroom is decluttered and it is deep clean the master bedroom day. So I'm going to do that. In my planning video, I showed you, I don't have my planner with me, but I showed you my master list for deep cleaning. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the tasks that I didn't get to last month and begin there. So it's okay if you don't get all of the tasks on your deep cleaning accomplished every month. It's okay. Some progress is better than nothing. It is totally okay to be where you are and to jump in where you're at. I am going to start my deep cleaning where I left off last month and see what I can get done. I have only done 15 minutes this week, and that was with the declutter in my closet. So I'm going to spend another 15 minutes decluttering my closet and the additional half an hour that I've got this week to deep clean to doing the master bedroom. So that's 1 hour. If you do 15 minutes every day, you'll have more time than that, but I've found that that's absolutely plenty of time for me to get the deep cleaning done. As a matter of fact, many of the spaces don't take a full hour a week to deep clean. I'm thinking about like my entryway, the laundry room, the bedroom definitely doesn't take a full hour, but I'm like thinking about my kitchen. The kitchen I might just break up into a few weeks because I've been avoiding it, and I'm looking at that pantry, and that's going to take at least an hour on its own, but that's all right. I'm going to break it up into manageable chunks, and actually I probably won't break it into manageable chunks. I will probably just get it all done at once, but that's the beauty of where I am in my life situation right now. I can choose to do a big project like that. But then break up the deep clean of the other areas of the kitchen as I see fit. So probably about 15 minutes a day and get a whole bunch done. So all that talking, let's get into the cleaning. I hope you enjoyed this example of zone cleaning. Join me tomorrow for day 11 when we talk about taking a lunch break. See you later.